If you want to create stunning AI images quickly, OpenArt AI is a great tool to learn. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use OpenArt AI step by step, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to generate your first image with confidence. We'll cover how to log in, where to find the create button, how to choose a model, how to write a strong prompt, how to use negative prompts, how to enhance your prompt, and how to adjust your settings before generating. By the end, you'll know how to create high-quality images in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, go to OpenArt AI in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, look for the Create button in the top left corner and click it. This will take you into the main workspace where all of the image generation tools are located. When the workspace opens, make sure you are on the Image tab, since that is usually the default view for creating images. If you're not on the right tab, switch over before going any further so you're starting in the correct mode. Next, look at the left panel and find the Model drop-down menu. This is where you choose the AI model that will generate your image. Different models can produce different styles, levels of detail, and artistic looks, so if you want a realistic result, a cinematic scene, or something more stylized, this is the place to adjust that. Select the model that best fits the type of image you want to create. After that, move down to the prompt box on the left side. This is where you type a clear description of the image you want OpenArt AI to create. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. For example, instead of just typing cat, you could type something like a fluffy orange cat sitting on a windowsill during sunset with soft, warm lighting. That gives the AI much more to work with. If you want to get even better results, you can use the advanced section to add a negative prompt. This is optional, but it's very useful if you want to avoid unwanted details. You might add words like blurry, distorted, low quality, extra fingers, or bad anatomy, depending on the kind of image you're making. Negative prompts help guide the AI away from problems and make the final image cleaner and more accurate. If you want extra help expanding your idea, click the Enhance Prompt button, usually shown with a magic wand icon. When you use this feature, OpenArt AI can automatically improve your basic prompt by adding more descriptive detail. This is a really helpful option if you're not sure how to phrase your idea or if you want to turn a simple concept into a more polished prompt. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to configure the image settings. Start with the aspect ratio, which controls the shape of your image. If you want a square image, choose 1:1. If you want a wide image for a banner, thumbnail, or cinematic scene, choose 16:9. You can also explore other ratios depending on where you plan to use the image. Then set the image count, which tells OpenArt AI how many versions to generate at once. The default is often 2 or 4, but you can adjust it based on how many options you want to compare. More variations can give you a better chance of finding one that looks perfect, while fewer images can help you work faster. Once everything is set, click the large Generate button, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the left panel. After that, just wait for the progress bar to finish while OpenArt AI creates your images. When the generation is complete, your results will appear in the main canvas area or in the gallery on the right side, depending on how the interface is laid out. From there, you can review the images, choose your favorite, and continue refining if needed. If one image isn't quite right, you can go back, tweak the prompt, adjust the model, or change the settings and generate again until you get the look you want. And that's the basic process for using OpenArt AI to create images from scratch. Once you understand the workflow, it becomes very easy to experiment and produce all kinds of creative results. If this walkthrough helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.